Today, what we're doing, guys, is we're going to be doing a Reddit recap. It's been a bit. We haven't done this for like a week. We do it like on a weekly schedule. So that's what I say every single Reddit recap. People are like, man, he doesn't do this very often, but he does it pretty often. Yeah, we do this about once a week. And we're going to go through the Reddit, just see out the clips and stuff like that. So if you guys wanted to be part of this, feel free to head on over to r/CaseyKing and post your favorite clips from Valorant or discussions or literally anything, dude. We're just a community. We like to sit here. We like to talk. This is the best game I've ever had. This isn't even a clip. This is just a screenshot. 53 kills. Holy crap. What elo are you playing in? 646 combat score. Holy fuck. I need to know. I need more information on this one. 53 kills is insane. Like, that is a lot of freaking kills. I think I have 40 max one time. I don't think I've ever dropped a 40 bomb other than once. I'm a support player. No big deal. Like, support players relate. Homies, rise up. We're good. Fastest ace ever. Love me some fast aces. No sound on this video, so I get to do my sound effects. Oh my, wait. Oh, he killed 5? He was ADSing too, so I guess ADS is the move now. It's probably the Prime Vandal, honestly. Prime Vandal gives you aimbot, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Can you imagine? He just never gets pushed for the rest of the game. This is like one of those clips that it's like, after this happens, you're like, nope, we don't go to that Phoenix anymore. Just don't even bother challenging that guy. Just don't do it. ADSing at long ranges, actually not a terrible idea. A lot of people hate on ADSing, period. If you're above 30 meters and you have a Vandal, I say go for it. Honestly, it gives you accuracy. Shroud does it. So if Shroud does it, then I mean, like, you can do it too, right? No big deal. And hop on and play soon. What should I think about improving today? I noticed recently my crosshair placement sucks, dude. It's not good. At least like my crosshair placement is okay when I'm thinking about it. But like when I was watching like other gamers, you know, like Shroud, you'll notice their adjustments are like pretty good. Like if they're going to be aiming at like catwalk, when they turn to go aim at mid, like their crosshair is still in a good spot. What happens with me is what I realize. I'll be aiming at catwalk and it'll be good. And then I'll adjust to go aim at mid and it'll be bad. And I'll readjust and it'll be good. I would like to cut it down. So instead of it being good, bad, good, it was good, good. You know, that'd be cool. That's what I'm shooting for this week. We got an insane spray down. Sorry for not seeing the Sage Omen. Oh, we got sound in this clip. Nice. Okay, double. Okay, triple. Okay, just threw a smoke. I think the funny thing is he shoots off the Cypher's contact. He sees the Cypher jiggle this, and he sprays at the Cypher, and then he kills 3 people who are not Cypher. Reyna, Jet, Sova. Okay, let me reload. Oh, that poor Cypher, man. Yeah, let me just jump peek this. Okay, there's one there. There's one there. Everyone runs in and dies. Now the Cypher just forgot that he peeked B main, apparently. Okay. And just to showcase at the very end how fucking deep corners are. I guess he sees the gun a little bit right there, it looks like. Like, oh my god, corners are so deep in this game. You scout a corner, you're like, it's good. No, it's not good. It's not good. It's not good. Iron Rank uses their brain to play for the first time and gets a 4K with even high ping. He's got to judge, so how much brain could we be talking here? But let's watch the clip. Nice. Walks in front of the blind. Nice. You can kind of see the ping right there. Look how fucked he is right now. High average ping, low client FPS. You have a network problem. There's a network problem, dude. I don't. Okay, we'll cut him some slack for buying the judge on these conditions. Okay, network problem means nothing. You think it would, but it really doesn't. Yeah, you're right. He did get the 4K with the judge, but I just love the classic right click right here. It's so demoralizing to get killed by a classic every single time it happens. Holy shit, I got a clip for you guys. Hold on, let me find this. Oh, I'm already laughing, guys. Okay, they know I'm in Sabrosa. Oh, no, no, no. No, 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 no. Oh, no. Oh, man. I didn't kill the Sova, but I tagged him 137. Oh, man, the classic is so fucking dumb. It's still dumb. They nerfed it, but it's still dumb, dude. Kelly hit the jumping USP headshot. Oh, okay. What was the jumping USP? Was he the banned one? Received a Valve anti-cheat ban. Yeah, he was banned for back. Okay. That would make sense why he landed the jumping USP then, right? connected to? Okay, what's going on in this clip? I didn't even read the title, but I hope it speaks for itself. This is why you don't drop smokes like this, by the way. Oh, wait, this was his smoke, I think. Wait, no shot. Why'd she pull off? Dude, you stick that defuse all day. She threw. Reyna threw that shit. She threw that shit so hard. Oh my god, dude. Don't be like this, Reyna, dude. Look how close she is. It's literally like half a second away from being defused. And then she pulls off. Oh, no, no, no. Okay, nice, nice. Good thinking. Hidden MMR. Currently in Gold 3. She got rolled 13-2 by mid-high diamond players. How does the ranking system place me with players that are obviously better? Or is it just part of the game? Wait, let's read this comment. This is a beefy comment. So also have these games where act rank diamonds and plats 3s go like this.
A few moments later.
I don't know if that's true. I think the system is kind of broken. My ranks have evened out recently. This is kind of similar. So now when I gain rank or when I win a game, I gain like 23 rating. And when I lose a game, I lose like 18. It's finally evened out. It used to be like I would lose 30 and I would gain like 22. But after playing 10 hours a day for like a week, like, yeah, it's starting to even out eventually. Like, it's getting to that point for me. But that being said, yeah, I think that there's a lot of immortals and diamonds who are stuck in plat right now, which is probably why this gold 3 guy is getting placed with these guys. No idea why. I don't know how MMR necessarily works if you're in the same division. If you're plat 2, it feels like you get placed with other plat 2s, or maybe there's a chance that you will. But like, for the record, I'm a D3, or I was D3 act rank last act, and I'm plat 3 right now. I'm close to finally climbing back, but like it's rough, dude. It is rough. I don't know. I'm not the only one. I hit a lot of games where there's D3 act ranks or immortal act ranks in my games. I don't understand it, man. Everyone's just stuck in fucking plat right now. If there ever was a elo hell, kind of feels like elo hell. I'm getting one tapped by plat players. My diamond lobbies were way easier than what these ones were. Yeah, you guys get the point. It's just it's rough, man. Ranks are rough right now. Play through it. That's all you can do, I think. Or you could stop playing. You could literally stop playing if you want. Go play a different game. I think that's what Ryan did. Ryan was like, fuck this shit. I don't know if he did it for this reason, but he actually played Apex. But yeah, Valorant's kind of fucked right now, it seems like. That's my take. Wait, so we're getting the shitty plus-minus ratio and improved for you? After playing, like, I played a lot of games this act. I played a lot of games. I think I did, like, a 24-hour play session twice this week. And then I do, like, 10 hours yesterday. I've been playing a fucking lot lately. Oh, yeah, one bad game. Everyone's just being a dick to you. It's like, guys, this happens. I've been playing for 10 hours. This is the worst game out of those 10 hours. Leave me alone. That was when I dropped that 6K yesterday, though. I was having a bad game. I whiffed fucking hard, dude. I whiffed hard. And it's like, people have bad games. People whiff. Leave me alone. Let me show you these. So I'm sitting here, right? On Boiler. I outplay this guy. The bomb's here. I double back all the way around here. And I stand here because I know that he's going to grab the bomb, think I'm B, and he's going to cut away. So standing here, waiting for him. He walks through here. I miss every shot. Literally miss every single shot. And he walks in here and he plants the bomb, and then he comes over here and I come to retake, and then I end up losing the retake. And I'm like, fuck, dude. Everyone just thinks I'm garbage now. Fucking bottom fragging Reyna, dude. Everyone just thinks I'm terrible at this game. Whiff on the kill. He hates us. I literally go into comms, mute everyone. This is what I do after I whiff. I'm just like, fuck, I'm not hearing it. But then, here we come for our retake. Pop the ulti. Coming in with the eye. Feeling good. Looking great. Killing the Phoenix, who's not looking at me. Killing the Omen, who's also... Oh, that's Reyna, I guess. Also not looking at me. This is probably one of the nastiest flicks I've landed in a while. That felt good. Now, the unfortunate part is that if I kill that stage there, I literally win this. I don't actually win this round. But I do get a 6K. I do get a 6K, though. I was pretty happy about this. I don't win the round. But I was like, hey, guys, I'm not terrible. I'm just not good. Okay, back to the Reddit. Best clutch I've made my entire time playing this game. I know I'm not that good. That's why I'm in gold. Hey, don't be mean to yourself. Don't down talk your clutch, dude. For the record, anybody can land nice clutches. You don't need to be radiant to land a nice clutch. Don't listen to those players that are like gold gameplay, XD. As long as your shots are clean and you played well, dude, that's a dope fucking clutch. Be proud of it. Got some Shockies. Shocky boys coming down. Okay. You're divided, unfortunately. You do kill the Yoru, though. Very on brand of a Yoru dying to shock darts. Nice. One's treed. One's probably main. Nice. Tags him. Risque ult. Repositions though. Look at him stepping behind Jen every time he fires off a shot. That way he's not standing out of the middle of nowhere.
You can teleport me.
Halves it. Let's see it. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. I think that was my favorite part of this clip, is that this ulti is risky and he would just die if he didn't just like step behind Jen every time he did it. He did take a little bit of damage, still risky, still probably could have died, but like at least he has like the awareness to be like, oh well, I don't want to expose myself to main, so he steps behind generator every shot. That's good. That's a good play. A unique Cypher voice line I haven't heard before. Dude, I've been hearing some cool voice lines recently and they always throw me for a loop. Every time we hear them, it'll literally be like me and Toesucker sitting at a call, and then we'll hear a voice line and we'll go, what? And then we'll move on with our lives, because like it doesn't deserve more than that, really.
Viper, whose birthday is March 20th? I found it when okay. I have everyone's passwords.
Why? Do they just add new voice lines like every now and then? They're just like, let's just slip this one in, right? I don't know where these come from, dude. I've never heard that voice line. Maybe it's because people don't play Viper, I guess. So it's like a Viper, like. Also, Cypher, respect people's privacy. Like, what the fuck, dog? Like, this is not cool. Not cool at all.
Wait,
Okay, Bucky. Swaps to the Vandal, respect. He didn't just stick with Bucky. Guys try to knife him. Disrespect. Nice, okay. Nice, okay. Makes noise. He had to. He had to draw down one way or another, right? Drops the ulti. Oh, it's the last round, so you might as well, you know. Ooh, okay, let's go. And he had the timing right and everything. You saw that? That's the timing thing. Drops the ulti. He could be B main. It's possible. Maybe he's playing for Shockies. Little Shocky boys. It's playing in a weird spot for Shockies, but checks B main. Nobody's B main. Nobody's peeking him. He would have to be pushing out. If this is the ulti was going off, he has to be pushing out on this. So he must be pillar. Nice play. Solid. This one's submitted by, we'll give him a shout out, RJ42. His name is Ray Jackson. Ray Jackson landed. Oh, okay. Dude, I hate the jumping off. This shit, it gets me every fucking time that somebody just like leaps out the jump peak into main. This is so aggro. Off of no info. I think he literally heard him run out. He's like, I'm just gonna send it. Here's him running out lane. Blinds tunnels, just leaps out of main where he has no cover anymore. I guess to be fair, like maybe if he doesn't do this, he lands the first deagle shot, because his crosshair placement was pretty decent. But like, oh my god, that just drives me nuts, man. Good play, okay. Wait, let's end up with a text post. So I'm currently chilling in gold 3. I have lots of friends in lower ranks. They keep saying that this is plat 1, that this plat 1 is leagues better than me since I can't hit consistent headshots and one taps. I've tried aiming labs for 2 weeks. I always warm up in deathmatch before a comp game, and I've noticed, but my spray control reflexes, crosshair placement, flicking, and in general aim is not the same as my teammates in comp. How can I improve? It's not like I want to compete with this black guy, but I just feel like I want to improve. Any good videos? First of all, don't ever compare yourself to other people. It's just not helpful. I do it all the time. It's not good to compare yourself to other people because you don't know anything about this fucking plat guy. You don't. This plat guy could be an immoral smurf, radiant smurf, chilling in plat. He's just fucking around. He's landed one taps. He's going all over the place. This is what I was saying earlier. Plat is a fucking mess right now. It doesn't matter if they're plat or not. Don't compare yourself to other people. Just like focus on your own improvement. Is basically what I'm saying. You should focus on like how you can improve and how you can be better as a person. Because I don't know how much FPS experience you have, but if you don't have a ton of FPS experience, it's gonna be very hard for you to just like instantly, oh shit, I'm insane at this game, right? You said you're chilling down in gold and you do the aim training. Just give it time. Just focus on it every day. You will improve slowly. These are things that you need to do every day. You need to put in the work, but like you can't just automatically become an immortal ranked aimer. And I feel like that's what everyone wants. Like the answer is do aim labs and warm up and do deathmatch. That is the answer, unfortunately, and there's no faster way to do it. And like I guess actively focusing on specific things is going to help you, but everyone wants shortcuts. That's the problem. They want shortcuts to become like this black guy. This black guy's one tapping us. How do I be like him, right? There's no secret. It's literally just putting in the work. It's literally doing it. Focus on your crosshair placement. Focus on your flicks. Make sure you're doing your aim labs. If your tracking feels off, make sure that you're doing your tracking and stuff like that, as boring as it is. So when I go into deathmatch, right, when I'm running around, I'm not spraying at each target. I'm one tapping them in the head. That's what I do in deathmatch. And the reason I do that is because it only takes one bullet to kill somebody. A lot of people think that like, oh, you should work on your spray control so you can kill like that target, and they're spraying at one person. They just missed their first 5 shots. It has nothing to do with spray control at that point. That just has to do with your aim. Your aim is just off, dude. You shouldn't be spraying 10 bullets onto one dude most of the time. That's just not something that you need to be doing most of the time. You should be tapping. I'm not immediately good at something. I just started. Why am I so bad at terrible? That's how I feel a lot of the times. Valorant's a hard game. It's a fucking hard game. I'm not good at it. I'm still not good at it. I'm trying to get better at it. Yeah, the most you can do is just practice, do your reps, and hopefully you'll get better. You'll improve. But yeah, if you guys watching this on YouTube, subscribe to the channel down below. Check us on Twitch where we have so many awesome people. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.